Also at 4, several hundred customers in Marshall County still without power, going on close to 2 weeks and relying even more on the kindness of volunteers for food and necessities. WRAG's Mike Suriani traveled to Potts Camp last night and found out how the call for help is being met there.
Here in Potts Camp, Mississippi, folks went for a week and a day without power. It's finally back on and things are returning to some sort of normalcy, but it's going to take time. And for those that are still out in the county and without power, there is someone locally who's doing something to help out. Wednesday night in Potts Camp, and there's no rest for volunteers at Bethlehem Poultry, a family-owned business with deep roots in North Mississippi.
It transports hens, it transports chickens, poultry.
Robbie Yates, co-owner, says since the ice storm hit, this poultry business has switched gears in a big way and become a shelter and distribution point for emergency supplies.
We dedicated the building to be used by the Potts Camp Fire and Rescue.
Yates says before he could open as a shelter, he was required to have a shower installed, so volunteers from the community installed one. A shower and hot meals have been available and much appreciated.
The looks on people's faces when they come and they get a hot meal, or they come in and they get a shower because they haven't been able to.
But much of the good work here goes on in outlying areas where many are without power. Volunteers with Potts Camp Fire and Rescue and the United Cajun Navy make trips daily to help those in need. The donations keep rolling in, but don't sit here for long.
5,000 winter coats, 7,500 blankets, 20 additional pallets of water in North Mississippi, hand warmers, thermals, snacks, diapers.
Yates and his crew have also shipped over 6,000 hot meals into neighboring communities.
We love our community. We love the people that is in our community.
For your news leader in Potts Camp, Mike Suriani, WREG News Channel 3.
And Yates says his employees are working from home to free up more office space for volunteers and victims needing shelter. You can contact Potts Camp Fire and Rescue through their Facebook page if you need assistance.